Hey guys, today I'll be swatching and talking about My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is not a new launch, it's in the market for a while and I'm also using this lipstick for a while, but I haven't spoken before because this is not my personal favorite. But recently I saw lots of Instagram posts talking about this My Glam liquid lipstick, and also there is a survey going on for free lipstick, this version, and free eyeliner. The survey will not take you more than 1 minute and you just have to pay 99 rupees, that is your shipping cost, and you get a free liquid lipstick which is worth 395 rupees for 3 ml. So I thought I'll share my opinion and you guys can decide whether to buy the lipstick or not. If you're here just for the swatches, I'll leave the timestamp in the description below, also in the somewhere in the screen. You can right away skip through it. And if you're here for the review too, then let's go. Let me take a moment to appreciate their outer package. It feels very nice and classy for the price we pay, and that's the reason I still have the outer box with me. Like all the lipstick, these outer box also have their manufacturing date, expiry date, ingredients, company details, shade name, all those with the brand name on it. And here comes the actual lipstick. It comes in the see-through package. It looks like a glass kind of tube. The wand looks like this. It can be used on both the sides, and the wand can be used to line your lips as well. That's a good part, but that doesn't mean you have to go ahead and buy this lipstick because the formula is not comfortable. Yes, it is a transfer proof lipstick. It doesn't transfer at all, but the formula is not comfortable. It is not lightweight. It feels very sticky on the lips. Especially on the outer corner of my lips, always feels sticky. Like even after 5 hours also, it does feel sticky, especially in this part. And I can feel the lipstick throughout the day, and if I can feel the lipstick, then what's the point in applying the lipstick? I want my lipstick to be lightweight and comfortable. I think that's what everyone wants, right? That's the reason I want you guys to skip the lipstick. Whatever lipstick I have recommended you so far comes under the comfortable line. I don't want you guys to invest on these kind of lipstick because these lipsticks are pain on your lips, especially while removing. It is so hard, and
you see, I have to give really a good pressure to remove the lipstick. I'm not sure if the camera is capturing. I'm giving a good pressure to remove the lipstick. Still, it doesn't come off. I have taken a good amount of misclear water, but still, the pressure I'm giving here, imagine the pressure I have to give on my lips. That's the actual reason for not recommending or swatching the lipstick earlier, but even now I'm swatching it just to make sure you guys understand. Not all the lipsticks are same and you don't have to invest on the lipstick which is hard on your lips. You need a oil-based remover to remove the lipstick.
it doesn't leave any stain. Without lip balm, you can't use these lipsticks, and that's the reason I don't want you guys to fall into the marketing gimmicks. You get better lipsticks for 300 rupees and don't just go and fall like, okay, you're getting free lipstick. Don't get excited. This is not good formula to even try at least once, because we see lots of advertisements saying free lipsticks, lots of popular influencers or even our favorite influencers talking about these lipsticks, but still it's not worth your 99 rupees. Instead, spend a little more and invest on some good lipstick instead of buying these lipsticks. I think they have amazing bullet lipstick, that satin finish and all. It's okay when compared to these lipsticks. Do your research before even investing 1 rupee on any product. Not just the lipstick, but do your own research work before investing on anything. And when it comes to lipstick, please be a little more conscious when spending your money, because lipstick is something which goes inside also, so you have to be very careful. And here are the swatches for the people who are waiting. Let's go. This is in the shade Shift. It is going to complement dusky and deep skin beauties without liner and without makeup. This is in the shade Slow Down. So this was my personal experience and personal opinion. I hope this video was helpful. Please leave your comments and thoughts about these lipstick in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Tada!